Hey guys, so I wanted to jump on because I am partaking in a fundraiser for mental health awareness this coming month, and we just started a few days ago, and I wanted to let everyone know what's going on because it's a very important topic, and I have talked about it a couple of times on a live videos, and it seems to be one of the most sought after informational videos that I've done. So, without further ado, what why is mental health important? I've talked about this before, but I didn't really get into the whole statistics on suicide and mental health issues in young adults, the statistics of it. But um, so from the Active Minds website, that their statistics that they have, 39% of students in college experience mental health issue. 50% of the cases begin at age 14, and 2 out of 3 students with anxiety or depression don't seek treatment at all. And guys, this is so important because mental health is treatable and suicide is preventable. It is the number 2 leading cause of student deaths, suicide, and 67% of college students first tell a friend they are feeling suicidal before anyone else. And 50% of us will experience a mental health condition in our lifetime. So it's really important. I feel that most colleges and high schools don't want to talk about it and don't realize that you can get help for anxiety and depression, and it is treatable. And I think that they just don't want, I'm not sure. I think our society just frowns upon putting people on antidepressants. And there's a point where it's needed. So, the fundraiser that is going on that I'm helping out with is to raise money for the JED Foundation, which is a nonprofit that exists to protect emotional health and prevent suicide for teens and young adults. They partner with high schools and colleges to really make sure that they have all of the programs and systems set up to prevent substance abuse and suicide prevention. And it encourages the community awareness and understanding all the importance of doing this. And then also, it is raising money for the Active Minds, which is for young adults and students of age 14 to 25. They really work on education, research, advocacy for those young adults that age to have just open up about a conversation about their mental health. And they really are working on making a change in the way mental health is talked about. And uh, both of these organizations are really making an impact on mental health, and it starts with young adults and making them aware of, hey, this is statistically likely to happen to you, and no, you aren't alone. Yes, there is help, and you should be able to talk to people about it. And like I said, it is the number 2 cause of death among students is suicide. So all of this is preventable, and mental health is important to everyone. So the fundraiser I'm doing is through a company, and if you would like more information on it, reach out to me if you want to help out with that. And it's going on for Mental Health Awareness Month. And we have already started. We started a little early so that way we can get the ball rolling, because it's so important for everyone to really help out with this. I'm really excited because it is one of those topics that's been more listened to when I talk about different things. So it's kind of high on that list of topics that people actually listen all the way through on. And it I we just have to change how everybody thinks about this, because it's not just women, it's young men too. So it's not that we're targeting just young women on informing them through those organizations. It is all adolescents and young adults. And that's where it really starts, because I feel that, and statistically, we kind of suppress that they really shouldn't be having those feelings to begin with, and that it's all in their head, so to say. So we are working with Jed and Active Minds. The fundraiser is for those two organizations, and they work with adolescents and young adults through education, informing, working with colleges and high schools, really getting everybody the resources that they need, and educating the communities involved. That's all I have. If you would like more information on the fundraiser, if you'd love to help out, go ahead and shoot me a message. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for taking an interest in this. It's really important. So thank you. Bye.